Alright, so we have here some license plate LED lights that Lasfit was able to send us. They are the LT10. Should be a fairly simple install. Just gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're just gonna take out the existing bulbs and put in these new LEDs. Okay, we've got our Phillips head screwdriver, so now we're just going to simply remove 2 Phillips head screws. Once we've removed both of these Phillips head screws, the light fixture should come out of the housing, which it is. There's a cover that comes off, just a clear plastic cover. And here's your housing with the existing bulb. So you're just going to want to simply remove. Well, actually, let's let you see how bright this bulb is going to be compared to the existing. So yeah. That's our existing bulb. You can see it's that off-white kind of, not the best quality bulb. So I'm going to turn that back off and install the Lasfit bulb. So the Lasfit bulb is an LED bulb, and I'm sure it's going to give off better lighting. So we're going to simply remove the existing bulb, and we're going to install the Lasfit bulb. I'm going to give it a nice little push. All right, let's power on and do a test and see how she looks. Oh yeah, that is definitely brighter. That is a good quality bulb. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and install it back, and then we'll do the left side. That was a very easy install. Anyone could tackle this, I'm sure. So you just simply push the housing back into place, grab your Phillips head screws, I'm gonna be very happy with the end result here. Those lights do look way brighter. So we're just simply screwing everything back into place. Make sure it's nice and snug. Right, so that side's done. I'm gonna move over to the other side. Same thing, unscrew. Remove the housing. Okay. I'm gonna pull off. There is a little dust inside, so I'm just gonna wipe this clean with a microfiber. It may even help some of the lighting come through a little better. Right, I'm gonna grab our new Lasfit bulb. And simply remove the existing, out with the old, in with the new. New and improved. Alright, let's just do a little test to make sure. Oh yeah, she's in there. Put everything back together. There's two little notches here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a notch here, actually one notch, and it lines up with the hole there, so you'll know you're putting it in the right spot. These lights are very nice. Definitely recommend these. Way more light output. Snug everything up. All right, well, that is an install for the license plate lights. As you can see, they are much brighter than the existing bulbs, and I definitely recommend these bulbs. Very easy install. Anybody can do this. Very happy. Thank you, Lasfit.